Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the culture media. So the culture media used for the Vibrio cholerae. So the first one is the transport medium. Under transport media, we have the VR medium, Venkatraman Ramakrishnan medium, and then the Clary Blair medium, as well as the autoclaved seawater. Then comes the enrichment medium. Enrichment, it includes the alkaline peptone water. It is known as the APW, and then the Monsoor taurocolate tellurite peptone water. It's a Monsoor tellurite peptone water. Then comes the selector media. In selector media, you have the alkaline BSA, that is a bay salt agar. Then comes the Monsoor gelatin taurate trypticase tellurite agar, the GTTA. Then comes the TCBS. TCBS stands for the thisulfate citrate bile sucrose agar. So you have yellow colonies. This is for the Vibrio cholerae. Then comes the green colonies. So what are the green colonies? The green colonies are for the Vibrio parahemolyticus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.